Hello and welcome back to my video about PHP and the types. In this video I will explain about arrays in PHP. You probably know it from other languages, but if you're new, arrays is it's a way you can contain a lot of data in one variable. We can start to do it in the old-fashioned way, so we can just say array here and say array and then put something inside it. We can say foo, then type 1 bar 2 and then close it, and we can print it out here to say, we can say bar dump. It's easier, then you can see what's happening here. Array, and go to the browser, you can see it up here. Let's do that a little more so it's a little easier for you to read. Then you can see we have the foo bar, it's an inch with 1, and we have the bar with inch 2. Nowadays I basically at myself do create arrays like this. You can do this one, and it's look like more Python and other language. So you can say foo 1 bar 2, and you can just put it down here below, and you can see we have exactly the same. We have 2 keys, the foo and the bar, and foo and the bar 2 keys, so it's exactly the same. The other one we can do, if we want, we can combine in PHP we can combine strings and integer, and we can combine integer keys and strings keys. It's not a beauty way to do it, but you can do it in PHP. In other language you will have a list and a dictionary. In Python we have that, but in PHP it's the same, and PHP help you to know what is what. So let's try this out. I will use my way, so combo array, and we will see 1 is foo, and bar we can call 2, and here we combined. Just copy this and print it out, and you can see 1 here and foo bar, so that's how it's working. And then we can make a second deep. You can make level 1 and level 2 and level 3 arrays. If you do in this way, level array, so call it level 1, and then we can call it level 2 foo hello world, and here we can say bar non-level, just options, and we can close it here, and we can again put it down here and go for it here. You can see we have an first level, second level, and then we have data. And if you want to access this, it's pretty easy. In PHP we can just do it this way. We can say level 1 and then level 2, and just say foo, and then we got to go hello world. If you hit something in PHP, like we say we want to level 3 and take foo, in this case we want a error. You can see it on undefined index, but we can do it in this way. So you can say is set, and then we can say index not found, So hello world, index not found. So that's how you basically work with the simple way with the arrays in PHP. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, please make them in the comments fields below. I'll try to answer them for you. And of course I hope you want to press on the thing in the right corner so you can subscribe my channel and get more videos from me. Remember to share this video with your friends and put it for your playlist so you always can find it again. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for subscribing. See you next time.